If you want to keep your image sharp when resizing in Photopea, the key is to protect the original quality before you scale anything. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the safest way to resize an image without losing resolution, so your design stays clean, crisp, and professional. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Photopea tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, look over to the Layers panel on the right side of your screen. Find the image layer you want to resize and right-click directly on that layer. From the menu that appears, choose Convert to Smart Object. This is the most important step because it tells Photopea to preserve the original image data instead of permanently editing the pixels. Once you do that, check the thumbnail of your layer. You should see a small icon in the bottom right corner of the thumbnail. That little symbol confirms the layer has been converted to a smart object, which means your high-resolution image is now protected and ready for non-destructive resizing. Now that your image is safe, the next step is to open Free Transform. Make sure the same layer is still selected in the Layers panel, then use the shortcut on your keyboard. On Windows, press Ctrl, Alt and T. On Mac, press Command, Opt and T. As soon as you do that, you'll see a bounding box appear around your image, with small square handles on the edges and corners. That box is what you use to resize the layer. Now comes the actual scaling step. Click and drag one of the corner handles to make the image larger or smaller. Because the layer is a smart object, Photopea will keep the proportions locked automatically, so your image won't stretch, squish, or become distorted while you resize it. This is exactly what you want if you're trying to keep resolution and maintain quality. If you ever do want to distort the image freely, you can hold down Shift while dragging, but for most projects, you should leave the proportions locked so the image stays natural. Adjust the size until it looks right on your canvas. Take your time here, because the goal is to resize without damaging the image quality. Once you're happy with the result, press Enter on your keyboard or click the checkmark icon in the top menu bar to apply the transformation. At that point, your image will be resized safely with the original resolution preserved as much as possible through the Smart Object workflow. So the simple formula is, convert the layer to a smart object, open Free Transform, resize from the corners, and confirm the change. That's the best way to keep resolution when resizing in Photopea. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy editing tips, and let me know in the comments what Photopea tutorial you want next.